Good morning. Here we are in our project in Arlington Heights. We're building a new oversized two-car garage. This is going to be 22.5 feet square. It's going to have an 18-foot by 8-foot tall garage door. It's going to have a side entry door on the side here. We've been working here for about 3.5, 4 weeks now. We're going to be done in about another 3 weeks. We're waiting on our siding, which is back ordered because of COVID. We are there was an existing garage here before we started working here. It was about 40, 50 years old. It was in poor shape. So we knocked that one down to build this one. Today we're working on redoing the pavers at the entry of the driveway here into the garage. We're going to be here for about 2 or 3 days working on these, here in the front and the side, walk here. And we've been blessed with the weather, being able to work on this pretty much all the time, and that's it. So thanks for watching our video, and check back with us again in another couple of weeks as we continue our progress in this garage. Take care everybody and be safe.